William, up, okay, William, attack! William, up, okay,
All right, so the team that's going to represent us at the Safari Sevens edition for 2023 is a mix of some old guys and some youthful individuals, and we're also looking to do some rotation in terms of players who did not take part in the Africa Cup in Zim. So a couple of those players, someone like Roy. Roy is a winger, and also a utility player, so this is going to be his first time to take part in the squad. Mugisha is coming in. He didn't take part in the Africa Cup side in Zim, so he's going to be coming in to beef up the side in the park, together with Osuna. Osuna has not played for this national team before, so this is going to be his first time. So we're looking at giving guys opportunity to test them at this level, because next year is going to be very challenging for us, and we need all 21 players in our squad to have tested some kind of test matches of high intensity. So really that's the idea behind the squad.
Okay, okutandika njaga kwebaza nnyo management yange ne coaches ne tiimu yange ne ba coach okunzikirizamu okumpa oba captain owe Uganda Rugby Sevens. Ifenga tiimu tubadde tuli ready nnyo, tubadde twetegese wansi wa njuba n'enkuba, kati tubadde tuli ready nnyo, buli kimu tukikoze. Tournament ine etuse kati tulinda bulinzi okutuuka Nairobi na kuzanya bulungi na kuzanya bye training nga wanene Kampala, then tugende tukirage Nairobi.
Again,